Do you know that not all debt is bad? Understanding the difference between good debt and bad debt can save your finances and even help you grow wealth. Today, we'll break it down clearly. Good debt is money you borrow to invest in something that grows your wealth over time. Examples include student loans for education, mortgages for a rental property, or a loan to start a profitable business. Good debt increases your future income and financial opportunities. Bad debt is money you borrow for things that lose value or don't generate income. Examples: credit card debt for shopping sprees, expensive gadgets, or unnecessary luxury items. Bad debt drains your finances and can trap you in a cycle of repayment. Focus on avoiding bad debt and using good debt strategically. Always pay off high-interest debt first and consider loans that help you earn or invest. Track your debt, plan your repayments, and stay financially disciplined. Remember, debt isn't always the enemy. The key is knowing the difference between good debt and bad debt and using it wisely to grow your wealth. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the next video, How to Save Money and Build Wealth Faster.